Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are taking a look over this brand new project called ElonBank. I know the name sounds finicky. So it is basically a Titano fork. If you don't know about Titano, well basically these DeFi protocols give you yield every 30 minutes by keeping their token into your wallet. What happens is you buy their token and keep them into your wallet and there is no sunk cost or anything like that. And you can also withdraw these tokens anytime if you want. So talking about this Elon Bank, interest is paid every 15 minutes and 96 times daily with a fixed APY of 409.77%. If you talk about the audits, they have been audited by the InterFi network. Now let's move over to their white paper. The Elon Bank reserves hold 5% of all the trading fees, which helps to maintain and back the staking rewards by ensuring market stability. The deflationary process will burn 2.5% of each and every transaction, allowing ElonBank to retain the highest APY accessible on the market. Currently, the team is not KYC'd, so it makes this project a little more risky, and they also have a roadmap for 2022 which you can check out for yourselves. Coming back to the website itself, UI is pretty neat if you ask me. If we see the token graph, it is rising upwards at the moment, so it means new investors are coming in, which is always a good thing for a project. Currently, the price of this token is $5.12. Moving on to the calculator and see what are the numbers there. So if you put $100 worth of these tokens into the wallet, so these will be like 17.63 at the current price. And we keep the current price as the future price as well. So after 30 days, our value will be $197. Keep in mind that the token value can go down over time, which will decrease your rewards and the initial investment. But if the price of the token increases, you will also enjoy the price appreciation and overall good returns. Overall, it's a good project and I am keeping my eyes on it. But guys, please remember that this is not a financial advice. Do your own research before investing in any project. The purpose of this channel is to share my crypto investing journey with you guys.